The Blueprint to Financial Success, a deep dive into becoming a high net worth individual in 8 years. In today's video, we'll embark on a comprehensive journey, dissecting each blueprint segment to transform your financial situation and become a high net worth individual within 8 years. This plan necessitates dedication, strategic planning, and disciplined execution. Let's delve into each step with a wealth of data and research to guide you toward financial success. Define your financial goals. The importance of transparent financial goals must be balanced. According to a study by Harvard Business School, individuals who set specific, written goals are 10 times more likely to achieve them than those who do not. This underscores the significance of this initial step in your journey. Research from the Dominican University of California also suggests that sharing your goals with a friend increases the likelihood of success. Setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals ensures that you have a roadmap for your financial journey. For instance, data shows that individuals who set specific income milestones are likelier to achieve them, reinforcing that a well-defined set of goals is crucial in wealth building. Create a strategic budget. A strategic budget is not just about limiting expenses. It's a tool for wealth creation. According to a study published in the Journal of Consumer Research, individuals who focus on budgeting for spending restrictions and future-oriented goals are more likely to accumulate wealth. Tracking spending habits, an essential aspect of budgeting, has been associated with increased financial awareness and discipline. Moreover, research from the National Bureau of Economic Research emphasizes that living below one's means, a core principle in budgeting, is a common trait among high net worth individuals. The data suggests that consistent saving and investing, fueled by living below one's means, contributes significantly to wealth accumulation. Invest wisely.
Strategic investing is a linchpin in wealth creation. Historical data shows that investing in a diversified portfolio of assets has consistently outperformed inflation over the long term. The importance of diversification, spreading investments across different asset classes, is a proven strategy for risk mitigation.
Tax-advantaged accounts like 401ks and IRAs are critical in maximizing returns. According to an Investment Company Institute, ICI report, individuals contributing to retirement accounts are more likely to accumulate substantial wealth over time due to the compounding effect and tax advantages. Acquire marketable skills. Investing in marketable skills significantly impacts earning potential. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, BLS, consistently reports that individuals with higher education and specialized skills earn higher incomes on average. A National Bureau of Economic Research study also suggests that continuous learning and skill development are associated with career advancement and increased income. Marketability in the job market is directly tied to the acquisition of skills that are in demand. Platforms like LinkedIn Learning and Coursera offer opportunities for online education, allowing individuals to acquire new skills conveniently. Entrepreneurial ventures. Entrepreneurship can be a powerful avenue for wealth creation. According to a study by the Small Business Administration, small businesses accounted for 44% of U.S. economic activity in 2020. Starting a side business or investing in profitable opportunities allows additional income streams. Data from the Kaufman Foundation indicates that entrepreneurs often have higher job satisfaction and financial success than traditional employees. Exploring entrepreneurial ventures aligns with wealth-building principles, creating diversified income streams and valuable assets. Network strategically. Strategic networking is a crucial driver of personal and professional growth. A study published in the Harvard Business Review found that 85% of job placements are filled through networking. Building a solid network opens doors to opportunities and provides valuable insights and support on the financial journey. Research from the University of Notre Dame suggests that individuals with diverse and robust networks are likelier to achieve career success and financial well-being. Joining professional organizations, attending industry events, and cultivating relationships with mentors are proven strategies for strategic networking. Real estate investment. Real estate is a tangible and historically proven asset class for wealth building. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, home ownership significantly contributes to household wealth. Real estate investment, whether through rental income or property value appreciation, provides a reliable source of passive income. Research by the Urban Land Institute indicates that real estate investment has consistently outperformed other asset classes over the long term. Understanding market trends, conducting thorough research, and making informed decisions are crucial to successful real estate investment. Continuously educate yourself. A commitment to lifelong learning is a hallmark of successful individuals. The World Economic Forum emphasizes the importance of continuous learning in the face of rapidly evolving technologies and industries. Platforms like TED Talks, online courses, and industry conferences offer opportunities for staying informed. A PricewaterhouseCoopers (PwC) study indicates that employees who embrace continuous learning are more likely to adapt to change, innovate, and succeed in their careers. In the context of financial success, staying educated on personal finance, investment strategies, and economic trends ensures adaptability and responsiveness to changes in the financial landscape. A wealth of data and research backs the blueprint to financial success. By setting clear goals, creating a strategic budget, investing wisely, acquiring marketable skills, exploring entrepreneurial ventures, strategically networking, investing in real estate, and committing to lifelong education, you can pave the way for financial success. Remember, these steps are not isolated. They work synergistically to create a comprehensive and effective strategy for achieving high net